Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we have this question x square minus x cube equal to 150 and we have to solve this question for the value of x. So let's start the solution of this question. So we can write this question as x square minus x cube minus 150 equal to 0. We send this 150 on the other side of the equation, so it will become minus 150. And now we will split this minus 150 into minus 25 minus 125, which is equal to 0. And now we will rearrange these values. So this equation will become x square minus 25 minus x cube minus 125 equal to 0. And now we can write this equation as x square minus 5 square, which is equal to 25, and similarly minus x cube minus 5 cube. So 5 cube is also equal to 125, and the whole is equal to 0. And now we can write this equation as x square minus 5 square, and similarly minus x cube plus 5 cube, which is equal to 0. So this equation, this values, these two values is in the form of a square minus b square, and this in the form of a cube plus b cube. So we will introduce two formulas over here, this formula a square minus b square, and we will expand this part of the question according to this formula, which is equal to a minus b into a plus b. And we will introduce a cube plus b cube formula over here, which is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So we will expand this question according to these two formulas. So let's apply these two formulas on the question. So this question will become a minus b, that is x minus 5, here a equal to x and b equal to 5. So a minus b, that is x minus 5, into a plus b, that is x plus 5. And this minus, when we apply this formula, so it is equal to a plus b, that is x plus 5, and a square minus ab, that is x into 5, and plus b square, that is plus 5 square, which is equal to 0. And now look at this x square, this will become minus 5x, and this will become 25. So now we will in these two values, look over here, one value is this one and one value is this. So in these two values we have x plus 5 over here and x plus 5 over here. So we will take this x plus 5 as common from this whole equation. So let's take x plus 5 as common from this whole equation. So here we have x minus 5, and here after taking x plus 5 common, so the remaining will be x minus 5 over here, and minus this minus basically, and here x square minus 5x plus 25, which is equal to 0. And now we will open this bracket, and will multiply this minus with this whole value. So when we open this bracket, this equation will become x minus 5, and this will become minus x square, and this minus when multiply with this minus, so it will become plus. So it overall it becomes 5x plus 5x basically, and this plus 25 will become minus 25, which is equal to 0. And now this minus x square and plus x plus 5x will become plus 6x, and this minus 5 and minus 25 will become minus 30, which is equal to 0. So overall we have this equation, and now we will compare these two values, that is x plus 5 with 0 and minus x square plus 6x minus 30 equal to 0. So let's compare it. So x plus 5 equal to 0, and minus x square plus 6x minus 30 equal to 0. So now we will send this plus 5 on other side of the equation. So this will become x equal to minus 5, and this minus x square plus 6x minus 30 equal to 0. So this minus x square plus 6x minus 30 equal to 0 is basically a quadratic equation, but we will make this quadratic equation, we will multiply minus with this equation to make it positive. So let's multiply minus on both sides of this equation. When we multiply x square, so this will become positive x square, and this will become minus 6x, and this will become plus 30. So overall the equation will become x square minus 6x plus 30 equal to 0 after multiplying both sides by minus. Now we have this quadratic equation, and we will apply quadratic formula, which is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And here we have a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 6 and c equal to 30, like this. And now we will put these values in this quadratic formula. So let's put these values. So b equal to minus 6, so plus minus b square, that is minus 6 square minus 4a equal to 1, and c equal to 30, and divided by 2a equal to 1. So this minus minus will become plus, so this will become plus 6, that is plus 6, plus minus this will become 36, and this 4 times 1 times 30 equal to 120. So 36 minus 120 equal to minus 84 and divided by 2. And now this 84 we can write as 2 square into 21 into minus 1. So this whole value is equal to minus 84. And we have written this minus 84 in the form of this value, because we want to to send this out of the this square root. So 2 will come out of the square root, so the equation will become 6 plus minus 2 and square root of 21 and into minus 1. And now this under root minus 1 equal to iota, under root minus 1 equal to iota. So we will write iota in place of under root minus 1, and this will iota will come out of the root like this. So the equation will become x equal to 6 plus minus 2 iota square root of 21 divided by 2. And now we will take 2 common from the equation, so this will become 3 plus minus iota under root 21 divided by 2. And now we will cancel this 2 with this 2, so overall the equation will become x equal to 3 plus minus iota under root 21. So this was our question, x square minus x cube equal to 150. And now we have 3 values, 3 roots of this equation, which is equal to x minus 5, which we have determined earlier. And then now we have these 2 values, which is 3 plus iota under root 21 and 3 minus iota square root of 21. So this was the solution of this question. I hope you will have understood the solution of this question. Moreover, if you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.